Alright guys, so this is a weld. I'm just doing this for practice. As you can see, it's literally nothing. This is all me. I have done all of that. Of course, we have the green thing right here. We always have to keep one in the front. Right, we're going. That's not anything, that's just welding in lines.
Just practice.
Yeah, this is just practice, guys, nothing to worry about.
Gotta squeeze hard. Okay, ready?
Alright guys, sorry we had to cut it a little bit short, but here I go again. Why did the lights are going out?
Come on.
The lights are going out, look here.
Yeah, that's how the welding helmet protects your eyes. Keep going, you're good. There you go. That was a good one. Get closer with the wire, dude. It's all right.
But we're gonna do it again. Woo! And I got it wrong on the Morgan Hill one. It's not Railroad Park. It's a different park.
Depot Park.
Yeah, Depot Park. I got really confused, but it was one called Railroad Park in San Jose. I didn't even know.
That's all right. Let's keep welding.
No, actually, it's in San Jose, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, it's all right. Let's keep welding.
All right, let's go.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Oh!
Whoa!
All right, guys, done with welding. We might have done like 6 parts. I mean, we did a lot.
Mm-hmm.
We did a lot of extra parts. We probably did like all the way up to part 6 in one day. And it only took like 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you guys. And remember to like and subscribe. It really helps us.